Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix try reloading Twitter something went wrong problem. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store, and Twitter is now changed to X. So you simply need to search for X and you need to update your X application. As you can see, my X is up to date. Then you need to go back and you need to open settings of your smartphone. Once you are in settings, simply need to go into the app management and go into the app list. Once you are in app list, you simply need to search for the X, and here it is X. You simply need to click on that. Click on storage and cache. The first step you need to do is to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and then you need to allow all permissions from here. Once you done that, you simply need to restart your smartphone and your issue will be solved. But let's suppose if you still facing an issue, you simply need to do is to open Chrome browser and search for X down detector. Is X down right now? So search that, hit enter, and you need to open the first website. Okay, and here you can see a data. If you can see a huge spike like this, so it means that X is down and you need to wait for few hours, and the team of X is working on that. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.